Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new session which is related to class 10th internal practical examination programs. The first program we are going to see today. So, that is the first program, that is reading reading the data from the user such as what data you are reading, science, English, maths, marks you are reading. So then you are calculating total and percentage. So here first step, how to write the program we are going to see now. See, first one is you need to read the data from the user. For that we are going to use input method. In this, which one you are reading, science marks you are reading, so we need to write it here, science marks. So now this data you supposed to store in one variable, so we need to write it here, science. So but marks are numbers, that's why we needed to store it in the form of integer, so that input data supposed to be converted as a number, that's why we are using int. So now we need to read English marks, so again we need to write like this, int of input. So what we need to write it is English marks. So then again one more we are reading, that is maths, so int of input enter maths marks, like this we can write it. So they are asking total you need to perform, so total is equals to science plus what is this, is English plus maths. So then percentage also you need to calculate, percentage is equals to total divided by how many, total divided by, see here how many marks, this is totally exam is related to for 100 marks. Total divided by, see here you need to try to understand, total divided by 300 into, again you need to multiply with the 100, this is the percentage. So this is this entire three lines are related to reading data from the user, this is calculating, finally we needed to display the results. So how we are going to display the results, display total and percentage. See here we are going to display print, see total, how we are writing is total comma, we need to write it here total, say print, this you need to display percentage. So this is the message. Now after that we need to write it here percentage. This is the writing part of the program. So we need to run this program, so you need to click on run module. So you need to click on OK, give the name of the file. So this is the first practical program, calculating total, save it. So now it is asking science marks, we are giving 67, so we are giving 45, then again giving 34. So total is, this is the percentage. So like this we can write any program. Here we want to know one more thing also, sir, why we are using here only int? Because you can pass only here a whole number. If you pass a decimal value, you get the error. So for example, if you want to pass a decimal value, instead of int, you can use what is that is called as a float. You can also pass the float value. See, look at this one. Int means only the whole number. Float means a decimal point data can also be passed whenever you are writing. So save this. So then again run this by clicking on run module. So science marks, now this time we will give the decimal points also, 56.7, 60, 76.7, again we are giving 45.7. So like this we are able to get the output. This is a simple practical program, the first practical program in a class 10th internal practical examination. Please practice it and learn it properly. Thank you.